Welcome back to Make Money Building WordPress Websites. And up till now, you've gone over the absolute basic content, just to help those that are not familiar with WordPress, or to provide a quick refresher for those that are. So this is where things will really start to get exciting. And while I'm a person of a more calming tone in my voice most of the time, I want to make sure that you understand that I'm not here to teach you WordPress or to offer boring tutorials on how to build a website. After you're done with this course, you're going to know how to make money as a freelancer or as a business, building WordPress websites for businesses that need them. I've explained why WordPress is the chosen platform for this, and from here out, I'll show you how to get the business moving along. In Module 3, I'm going to show you the best way to get domains not only for your own projects, but for client projects, and to be able to easily manage hundreds or even thousands of domain names, as well as how to be able to make money from your domain inventory that you're not using. I'll also show you everything you need to know about web hosting and to get set up properly right from the start. You'll learn how to leverage web hosting so it becomes a required upsell for your client website projects. And you'll also learn how to create an affiliate account for your business so you can earn commissions on web hosting that you recommended to clients or through your client support channels. Now keep in mind that there are 101 ways to go about doing what I'm about to show you. But if you follow these steps exactly, then I can assure you that you'll see the benefit and be able to build your own process that will make you money without the years of trial and failures of finding that right combination that works. I'll be showing you the most efficient way to manage as many WordPress websites as you can, even as one person. I was able to maintain over 400 websites on my own before having to hire full-time help. Once you learn all of this, you can do the math and know that it adds up to a very good income for anybody. On recurring revenue alone, that can net nearly $350K per year just for those 400 sites. And that's without even what you would charge for the web design project itself. So as we move forward, the videos will be a lot more over-the-shoulder style. So we'll be on my computer so I can explain exactly what I'm doing as I'm doing it. And as a quick reminder, you don't have to take notes during this module, but you can if you'd like. We'll provide an outline of the action items at the end of this set of videos. And I want to make sure that you retain that information that you're about to learn so it becomes second nature to start thinking about domains and web hosting as residual income items for your new business. I recently did some work with a small digital agency in this part of the country. They manage right around 200 websites, so they weren't huge yet, but they didn't even keep track of client domain registrations or hosting. It was a small agency that focused just on the web development and then social media management when they were done, so left domains, hosting, and even basic SEO to their clients. Showed them how they were missing out on an additional $150K per year just on the recurring income from those services. As a digital agency or even a freelancer, recurring income is going to be one of your best friends in how you run your business. A lot of people forget about this, and we're about to talk about two of them. So hang on as we move into the good stuff, and I hope you're enjoying this course so far. I'll see you in the next video.